Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda to create a nourishing hair oil that will leave your locks feeling luscious and vibrant. Ingredients: Keeshernelli or Phyllanthus niui. It is popularly used to promote hair growth in Tamil Nadu. The plant extract has properties that help combat hair loss, making it especially beneficial for people with male pattern baldness. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Amla is a powerhouse of nutrients, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It strengthens hair follicles and promotes hair growth. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are packed with proteins, amino acids, and beta-carotene. They prevent premature graying and add shine to your hair. Shoe flower, hibiscus, petals. Hibiscus petals stimulate hair growth, prevent dandruff, and add a natural sheen. Camphor. Camphor soothes the scalp, reduces inflammation, and improves blood circulation. Preparation: take fresh curry leaves and a few hibiscus flower petals and Keeshernelli or Phyllanthus niui leaves and amla. Grind them into a coarse paste using a blender or mortar and pestle. Heat half a liter of coconut oil in a kadai. Add the curry leaves and hibiscus paste to the oil. Stir well and let it simmer on low heat for 15 minutes. Cooling touch: turn off the heat and let the oil cool down. Once it's warm, add a pinch of camphor. Mix thoroughly. Strain and store. Strain the oil using a fine mesh strainer. Transfer it to a glass bottle. Label it with the date and ingredients. Application: massage this Ayurvedic hair oil onto your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 1 hour. Wash off with a mild herbal shampoo. And there you have it, folks. Your very own Ayurvedic hair oil. Remember, consistency is key. Use this oil regularly to see the magic unfold.